Tape www.suividecolosénégal.com. À École au Sénégal, c'est facile, tu n'as qu'à te connecter. Tape École au Sénégal, les leçons sont beaucoup plus détaillées.
So right here we have examples. We've looked at colors, shapes, and sizes. And you have 5 examples on the board, okay, that you need to describe 3 objects, so 5 objects that you need to describe, and you absolutely need to describe what it is. So what would you say, for example, with number 1? You know, they all have different colors. So what would you say about number 1? So it's going to be, for example, a long, which is the size, a long purple, because it kind of looks like purple though, a long purple spiral, you know, equipment, for example. So it's going to be first the shape. You're going to say a long purple spiral form. This long purple spiral. So long purple spiral, you have the shape, the color, and what? You have the size, the color, and then the shape. It's long. So what about this one? What is it going to be? It's going to be a small orange triangle. Size, color, shape. Size, color, shape. So if you have to describe, it has to be size, color, and then the shape or the form. Size, color, shape. In English, the size, the color, the shape, or the form. What form is it? So what about this one? So this was a small one. This would be what? What do you think the size is? Is it enormous? Is it gigantic? Is it large? Is it massive? Is it small? Is it petite? Is it big? What do you think the size? What would be the adjective? Like the size adjective to use. So let's say, for example, this would be probably a medium, okay, a medium green star. Okay, it's a medium green star. It is a green star, so it's a medium green star. What about this one? This one would be, you could say a tiny, you could say, yeah, a tiny white circle. A tiny white circle. Okay, a tiny white circle. What about this one? This is a keyboard. It's a keyboard. Remember, it's a keyboard, not a cube. It's a cube because a cube is in the form of a square. So a cube is actually a double square, whereas a keyboard is a double triangle that you draw like that. That's a keyboard. It's a double triangle. Okay, that's a keyboard. Okay, so how would you describe this? It will probably be a large, a big, a huge, blue keyboard. We're going to say blue box. C'est un carton, because carton is a box. So you see? So that is, these are examples of color, shapes, and sizes. If you wanted to use them, like to describe, somebody asks you to describe, you know, an object or a thing, and you know, and you really want to go in details, you go with the size, color, shape, the size, color, form, okay, to try to describe them. You know, it will be important that you learn to know them. So today we've looked at, in conclusion, we've looked at different colors. I told you that there are 24 main colors. After, you can expand them as you want. We've looked at the sizes. There are different sizes, a whole different sorts of sizes that you can use. And then, of course, you have the shapes. We've looked about 15 shapes, and there are probably more, you know, probably more. Like the trefoil And we look at the triphoid over there, it has the shape of a cloud. So the cloud has a triphoid or a triploid shape, okay? And so then you have the hourglass that has a form of number 8. You know, you have a pyramid. I mean, you have a cone that has like the form of like an ice cream cone. You have the crescent or the moonlight that has a form like a croissant, or the moon that have a moon. So you have whole bunch of them there, okay, between octagon and pentagon and hexagon, you know, all the gons, okay, just depends on your sizes. I hope that you've learned. I hope that it helps you. Please be careful on how you do to describe when you're doing describing, okay? It's the size, the color, the shape, the size, the color, the form, how it is, and you know, and then after you can describe it as you want. Is it smooth? Is it rough? You know, is it has thorns? So yeah, you can, you know, is it wavery? So those are different shapes. Like, you know, wavery would be something like this, like, you know, avec les vagues, as wavery. So you know, it's the color wavery has waves. You know, it's a wavy kind of way avec les vagues. Okay. Thank you, and I hope that helps.
La 3W suivi d'école au Sénégal.